Hey sis, how you doing? So I wanted to make a really quick video for you talking about something called mise en place, or as the French like to call it, mise en place. So mise en place, or mise en place, is basically just getting yourself set up for whatever you're going to be cooking. So let's say that you are going to be sauteing something and you want to make sure that you have all of your ingredients set up first. That way that everything that goes in at the right time. You know, cooking isn't like baking. Baking is very precise. It has to be perfect every time. But with cooking, you do want to build up your flavors. You want to put things in at the right time, and you don't want to be cooking or cutting while you're cooking. The reason for that is that you might be letting that burn or sit too long. The other thing is you want things that take a lot longer to cook to go in before things that don't cook or that cook very quickly. And so a good example is onions and garlic. So these two things make up a great flavor profile for most things that you're going to cook in the kitchen. So you want to make sure that you have your onion diced up and ready to go, and that your onion or that your garlic is smashed up, cut up, and ready to go in too. Your onion is going to take longer to cook than your garlic is. Your garlic can cook like that really fast, so it can burn. You don't want that. So you put your pan on, you throw your oil in, you get everything warmed up. You already have your mise en place with your onion and garlic already cut up and ready. So you put your onion in, you let it, fry up for a little bit, and then you put your garlic in after that. And then whatever you're using or whatever you're cooking for that time, you'll have already ready to make. So like, let's say you're gonna saute pasta. Your pasta's already made and it's ready to sit in here. Throw that in there, mix it up with a little bit of olive oil, and then all of it's done. But you're not cooking this and trying to get your pasta boiled, right? Or your meat is already out, it's been sitting out here, it's been resting. Your meat's here, your potatoes, your carrots, whatever it is that you're going to be making. And then you can start to throw that stuff into the pan as you go, because everything's cut up, everything's ready for you to cook, and you're not doing anything else. So I'll show you how to do stuff like pre-make your potatoes or pre-bake your potatoes so that they're good to eat with the rest of your food. But you want to make sure that that's done before you start the whole process. So I hope this explains a little bit about mise en place. It's actually a really fun thing. There's going to be a video where I put together seasonings. The seasonings are all going to be in their own little containers ready to go. They're already measured out. All I have to do is throw them in together and they're all set. So there's that, and I hope you have fun cooking. All right, bye.